If you find that you can't use or can't log in, or if you can't send a message today, then you need to watch this video to learn a quick way to solve the Messenger not working problem on Android. So, let's get started. First, you need to fix your internet issues. You can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode, or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Now you need to remove the software glitch from the Messenger apps. So for that, first open Setting, then scroll down, tap Apps, then tap Manage Apps, then search for Messenger apps, then tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission, then enable Files and Media. Choose Allow, then go back and enable Location. Then tap Allows, again go back. Now scroll down, tap Battery Saver, then choose No Restriction, enable all the setting. Now tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, then tap OK. So, after following the process, please comment below if you still have issues with Messenger not working. Then, thanks for watching.